Students, so in this video we will be solving the last question from the topic permutations and combinations. Now this question is little lengthy. I'll try to make it simple. The question says the number of numbers greater than 5000 and less than 9000 and divisible by 3. Okay, sum of what is the test of divisibility, dear students? Divisibility by 3. Sum of all digits should be divisible by 3. That can be formed using the digits. Okay, this only. That means the youth observe one thing. The digits are 0, 1, 2, 5, 9. Can the first the number should be a 4-digit number. Can the first digit be 0? No. Can the first digit be 1? No. Can the first why 1? Why the first digit cannot be 1? Because the number should be greater than 5000. Can the first digit be 2? No. Can the first digit be 5? Yes. Can the first digit be 9, dear students? No, because the number should be less than 9000. That means this restricts us to the first digit should definitely be 5, dear students. The next three digits can be anything. Now let us find the sum of all the digits. So 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17, dear students. So now we can have different cases. So case 1, dear students, is all 4 digits are different. So what are the 4 digits which we should take, dear students? 5 should definitely be taken. Acha, 17 minus 2 is 15, dear students. That means 2 should not be included. So that means the digit should be 0, 1, 5 and 9, right? And that means what should we do here? The first digit should anyways be 1, 5. Now the remaining 3 digits can be arranged in 3 places in 3 factorial ways, dear students. That means there are 6 ways here. Okay, right? Now this is case 1. Now case 2, since he is telling that since repetition of the digits is allowed, dear students, since repetition is allowed, case 2 could be we can say it as 2 digits are repeated, or let us say 1 digit is repeated, or we can simply say in this way 2 alike plus 2 different, dear students. That means what can now 5 should anyways be there. Let us say 0 is repeated twice. Now how much is 5 plus 0 plus 0? It is 5. Acha, what should the other number be? Since it is divisible by it should be divisible by 3. No, that means the other number should definitely be 1, dear students. Now how many ways can we arrange this? We can arrange this in 5, right? We can arrange them in how many ways, dear students? 0, 0, 1 can be arranged here in 3 factorial by 2 factorial. Why 2 factorial? Because 0 is repeated twice, so we get 3 ways, dear students. So that is another thing. Now what if 1 is repeated twice? So 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Now the other digit should be 2 for it to be divisible by 3. Now here also think about it. Here also we will get 3 ways, correct? Now if 2 is repeated twice, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. The other digit could be 0, or the other digit could be, since the digits are 0, 1, 2, 5, 9, 9 plus 9 also could be possible, dear students. So here also we get 3 ways, and here also we get 3 ways. I hope you are understanding this. Now 0 is done, 1 is done, 2 is done. Now what if 5 is repeated twice? What is 5 is? That means 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10, right? It should be divisible by 3. So 10 plus I think 2, right? So can we write 0, 2? Yes, right? Now here how many ways do we get, dear students? Here think about it. The first digit should anyways be 5, and the remaining digits can be arranged in 3 factorial ways because there are 3 places. So this will be 3 factorial. So here we get 6. Acha, 5. What if 5 is repeated twice? Instead of this, what if I write 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 9 is 21, dear students. Now how many ways can we arrange this? Here also we get 6 ways, dear students. I hope you are following this. Now what if 9 is repeated twice? So we get 5, 9, 9. 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 5 is 23. The other digit should be 1, dear students. So this again you will have 3 ways. You can think about it, dear students, because 3 factorial by 2 factorial, right? It's similar to these cases, right? I hope you are understanding. Now any other case possible, dear students, with this all the 2. Okay, now case 3 could be 3. That means a digit is repeated thrice, 3 alike and 1 different. Now what could the case be? Let us say 5 is repeated thrice. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is, dear students, 15 plus 1. 15 plus 0 is 15. This is definitely divisible by 3, dear students. Now how many ways can we fill this? Now the first one can definitely be filled with 5. As the remaining there are 3. So 3 factorial by 2 factorial, because 5 is repeated twice. So again we have 3 ways, dear students. Now is this the only possibility? No. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24, dear students. So here also we get 3 ways. Think about it. Now any other case possible? What if 0 is repeated thrice? No. 0 is repeated thrice, then the only digit should be remaining is 9, and 9000 will be the number, but that cannot, because all the numbers should be less than 9000. What if 1 is repeated thrice? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, right? 3, and the other digit should definitely be 0 or 9. All these numbers will be rejected. Think about it, because the number should be falling between 5000 and 9000. That means if you think like that, only these cases will be possible for case 3. Now case 4, dear students, should be what could be other case? Here we have 2 alike plus 2 different. Here we can have 2 alike of type 1, dear students, alike of type 1, and 2 alike of type 2, dear students, 2 alike of type 2, right? Now what could that be? That means 5 should anyways be present. That means 5 should repeat twice. So 5 plus 5 is 10, dear students. Now can it be 2 zeros? No, because can it be 2 ones? Because why can't we have 2 zeros? Because 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. What is the other option? 2 ones. Can we have 2 ones? Yes. 10 plus 2 is 12. In how many ways can we arrange this, dear students? So first digit should be anyways be 5. Again 3 factorial by 2 factorial, because there are 2 ones repeated. Again we get 3 ways here, dear students. And then the next is 5. 5. Can we have 2 2s, dear students? 10 plus 4, 14. No. Can we have 4 5s? No. Can we have 2 5s and 2 9s? 10 plus 18 is 20. That means I think this is the only option remaining, students. That means the total number of ways will be so this should be 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, 18 plus 6 is 24, 30, 33, 36, 39, 39 plus 3, I think it is 42 if my calculation is correct. Okay, how many times is 3 present? Okay, 6 present, 6 is 1, then we have 2, then we have 3, that's it. So 6 into 3 is 18. Let me once again calculate. And how many times is 3 present? 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 5, and then 6, 7, 8. 8. So it should be 3 into 8 is 24, 24 plus 18 is 34, 44 minus 2 is 42. I think 42 should be the answer, dear students. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching this. Meet you with the next one.